Frankie's just displaying some really important communication behaviours that emus display. It's a really important communication for female emus to drum, and they inflate an air sac on the front of their throat, part of their windpipe, and then they reverberate noise through that. More often than not, people think it's me when I'm there and making the sound, and I don't know why they would think that I'm making the sound, but it takes them a little while to figure out it's the emu and I'm not doing anything, it's the emu just making a sound.